Hey guys, welcome to another ZedBoard demo. I am in class because I cannot take this home. So today's lab is intros. And here we have everything's on, it's programmed. So this one, let's do that one. Oh, there's a little bit of debouncing there. So we don't have a timer, and we don't know if that is going to affect the debouncing or not. Yeah, this is the reset button. Stop it. Dude, Noah, look what you did. Sorry, my classmate is being a jerk right now. Okay. So yeah, we have all this going on. So we'll see what happens when we add a timer to it. Hey guys, we have now added a timer to our program. So now the LED or the counter increases with each timer clock pulse, and the buttons stay the same. This is still a reset button, and then it just resets the timer, I guess. And then when you push the other buttons, it just like adds to it. Like whatever value these buttons are, it adds to it. Yeah. So this is pretty cool. Ta-da! Okay, bye guys.